better preparations paved the way for the generally smooth opening of public elementary and high schools nationwide. This despite the usual mostly minor problems that attend the yearly opening of classes. DepEd says some 23 million students troop to schools today. Close to 9,000 of the enrollees are at the Corazon Aquino Elementary School in Quezon City, where the first day of classes was generally peaceful and orderly. More details from Christine Kang.
The opening of classes in the country has been peaceful. NCR DepEd Director Luz Almeida assured teachers were prepared to manage students, especially in bigger schools.
Nakikita natin na parang orderly, parang smooth and hassle-free ngayon yung opening. Sa tulong ng aking mga teachers, aking mga guards at security, utilities, lahat kami tulong-tulong. And then, meron kasi kaming General Assembly before the opening of classes. Last Saturday, nag-General Assembly kami, kasama ang mga parents. So, alam na nila kung ano yung dapat gawin at hindi gawin. So, nagawa naman natin siya maayos. Kaya natutuwa naman ako at okay naman na ating simulang araw na.
Here in President Corazon Aquino Elementary School, one of the biggest schools in Quezon City, different gimmicks were made to encourage to go to school.
Lahat ng school na puntahan ko kasi para mag-enjoy ang mga bata sa pagpasok, kinakailangan matuwa sila sa itsura ng mga teachers at may pasayaw-sayaw pa nga dapat yan eh. Pagdating sa classroom, sasayaw na kagad sila, kakanta para yung mga bata bumalik agad kinabukasan. Kasi may mga bata kasi na nawawala eh, di ba? Hindi na kagad nag-aaral kasi medyo hindi interested. Ngayon, pag nakita nilang masaya ang itsura ng teacher, maganda ang kanyang nilalagay na kasuotan sa kanyang ulo o sa katawan, at least mag-enjoy sila. Oo. Ang purpose kasi natin para mag-enjoy ang mga bata, sipaging pumasok at maging maganda ang kanilang unang araw.
Dumlao also assured the students' safety. DepEd said it is ready to respond whatever calamity strikes.
Since 2 years ago, regular na po tayong regular drill, unannounced drill. Earthquake, fire, even flood. Ngayong taon na to, we will intensify our campaign.
Meanwhile, the Education Department clarified its stand on K-12 program after the teachers' training for its implementation.
Successful naman yung ating training lahat ng grade 4 at grade 10. Yung grade 10 kahapon, ininang ko yung last day doon sa yung Sabado, yung sa Las Piñas Technical Livelihood Education Program. So tapos na po yung training. We're trying to talagang binilisan po natin ang pag-provide ng learning resources at saka mga teachers guides.
Opo, ma'am, doon po sa mga hindi nakakaintinding mga magulang, kung ano po ang K-12, gaano po ba kahalaga to para po sa isang mag-aaral?
Talagang importante kasi ang ating present curriculum talagang hindi siya kompleto na magbigay ng isang graduate sa high school at age 16 na ready for trabaho, entrepreneurship, o kolehiyo. Itong ngayong senior high school natin ay nagbigay ng isang different tracks, ibang mga strands kung saan yung bata, kung saan siya magaling, pwede siyang mabigyan ng tamang-tamang training at saka exposure na pwede siyang, kung talagang very good in the arts, pwede siya arts, design, kaagad, makatrabaho, makahanap pa ng pera on his own without going to college.